Objection done. Sumasagot siya. Bye, Ate Del. Thank you. Balik ka na pa, bye. Ingat. Oo. Okay, next stop. I am going to our municipality because I have another important stuff to take care of. Ayan, maglakad lang tayo para makatipid sa pamasahe. Diba? This is how it looks like here. I'm here at Barangay. I think this is Luna Candol. Yeah, Luna Candol. I am going to munisipyo. Ay. Ayan, oh, ganyan kami dito. They are so friendly whenever they see you, whatever like gentlemen would see you, they would say hi. So don't confuse it with catcalling because that is our norm here in the Philippines. It only means that they're saying that, hey, I'm here, you know, I see you. It doesn't mean that they are making you bastos. They're just recognizing that you pass by. Maybe nagagandahan sila sa'yo. Maybe they just wanna say hi. Yun lang yun. Ayan. Tapos, oh my god, looks like there is an event here. Luna Candol. Ayan. May nagtitinda ng buko juice. May basketball dito. Looks like may basketball. Ayan, oh. Hi, good morning. Ano meron? High school ito? Entrance? High school entrance. Good job. 3 points si Kuya. 3 points or 2 points? Excuse me. Here's Manda Cafe. Wow, is it open still? Ayan. Ay, Lord. Medyo mahaba-haba pa yung walking natin, but anyway, this is my brother's house, or my brother's apartment. Ayan. At the end, we have the local store here and everything. And then, ayan. Nandito yata nakatira si ano. I think this is where Kuya you know who. Dito siya nakatira. Ayan. Secret lang. Ayan.
Nice, madam.
Dire po, lakawala. You're welcome.